OMG, a little sneak peek for you guys. But I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know right in the beginning that I called leopard print, cheetah print the whole video because I'm dumb. So just ignore that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, it's Batty and I'm back with another horribly lit bathroom video. I'm really sad that you guys cannot experience like how cute my makeup is today because this crap lighting in this bathroom. It looks good. Like, I like to pat myself on the back real quick, like, good job. I haven't had anything cool and colorful in a long time. I really wanted to do something big, and that would be a huge challenge for myself. So, you know, Lisa Frank inspired hair, totally a challenge, at least for me. I haven't done anything like this before. It's gonna be fun to give this a whirl. So I'm going to try to make this happen here. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna totally take you guys along with me on this whole huge process of turning my head into Hunter the Cheetah. Before I can put any color on my hair, I'm definitely gonna have to lighten it. And what I'm gonna be using to lighten my hair are cream lightener and cream developer. You don't need this strength of developer. It is a 30 volume, which is very strong. I would definitely recommend going with a 20 volume, but this is what I got, and I'm not gonna leave it on for long. You wanna make sure that the lightener that you're gonna be using is for on the scalp use, because when your hair is this short, everything you're gonna be putting on your head is going directly on your scalp, so. Let's see if it's done yet. Well, you can't tell the difference between my hair and the lightener that's on top of it, so pretty sure it's light enough. Let's get this washed out. Dang, that's bright. So now that I'm nice and blonde, we can move on to the color. The colors that I'm going to be using for this look are going to be mostly Arcticfox colors. I've got a Wella color and a Joico color, and I'm going to go through all of them right now. Wrath, Virgin Pink, Poseidon, Phantom Green, and Aquamarine. I completely forgot I had this Adore Sunrise Orange, so I'll be using some of this as well. I'm going to be using Wella's Uber Gold and a black color from Joico. To paint the colors on, I'm actually not going to be using a color brush. I'm going to be using Q-tips, and that way I'll have more control over the small sections that I'm doing, because my color brushes that I have are quite thick. So it would just be really hard to do small sections with the color brush. Now for how I'm going to actually place the color on my head, if we look at the picture of Hunter here, all of the colors kind of go in a line across. We've got the yellow, the blue, the purple, the pink. Basically, I've got to have the colors going all the way across my head. But I don't want it to just look like straight lines or anything, so I'm going to be making the sections kind of wavy, and then I'm going to blend the colors together at the edges. That way, it looks like it all just blends together nicely. I'm going to start actually right here, right by my ear, and kind of just... Let's see here. I'm actually trying to figure out what I'm doing as I'm telling you what I'm doing, and I'm just like, my brain doesn't work like that. Now for the orange. So just same deal as before. This is the most runny color I've ever used, ever. It's not like a bad color, it like does the job and it stays very well, but it is super runny. Blend these two colors together. On my Q-tip, I've got a mixture of the red and the orange. I've actually mixed it together like down here. And I'm just gonna go and blend it back and forth. Now I'm going to blend these two colors together, same as last time, up and down motions, circular motions, really trying to get it within an inch all around. I mean, I'm not perfect, but you know, I can try. Time to blend it. We're getting close to being done. I've got the blue here, and let's see, I've got this weird kind of just like light bulb shape of hair left to do here, and I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we're going to freaking figure it out. Let's see here. I'm just taking the blue Q-tip that I had before and just going back and forth between the blue and the green. So apparently I didn't have any pink inside of the pink bottle. I thought I did, but there was nothing in there. And then I realized I never actually pulled out a purple to use, and the only purple that I have is Manic Panic Ultraviolet. And this stuff is not the best. It's also really, really dark. So I concocted, and hopefully this works out. I put some of my Arcticfox silver in there, and hopefully it kind of just makes it not so dark, because it is a really, really dark purple. So kind of hoping I'm hoping to lighten it up a little. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully this works. This is as light as it's gonna get. So let's just slap that on there. Woo! Excitement. Just draw a rainbow on your head. It's easy, it's fast. It's no big deal. Oh my gosh, this is such a huge deal. Oh goodness, that just dripped right behind my ear. That was a lovely feeling. The final blend, oh my gosh, I'm so ready. It's like, I was super excited to do this hair, and I'm still excited, and I'm not even like close to being done yet. I have to do the cheetah print next. Oof. Oof, this hair better last for a long time, cause boy, I am tired, my arms are dead. My head reminds me of one of those jawbreakers that you get that's like rainbow inside, and the farther down you get it like changes colors. That's what my head feels like right now. I think it looks pretty cool. If I could do anything over, I would probably just wait till I had a little bit more hair on my head. That would just make it so the colors really, really pop, because there's more hair for the color to latch onto. Since you can see my scalp so well, it just makes the colors not look so like bold, you know? Because there's all that space in between the little hairs and stuff. Now for the final step, I'm going to be taking some of the black Joico color that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to be drawing on the little cheetah print. To make things easy, I'm actually going to go ahead and start off with the spots first, rather than like the real cheetah printy looking thing. So I'll just do some like random black dots around, and then I'll start with the more intricate stuff, just because I'm lazy and I want to get the easy stuff out of the way right away. So I've got my Q-tip dipped in my color here. The color just looks like this right now because it just mixed it together, so it takes some time for it to oxidize and turn black. Try to draw on the cheetah spots with a brush rather than the Q-tip, because the Q-tip has that very blunt, rounded end, and I just feel like I won't be able to get that much detail. I mean, like, I could, it'd probably look fine. They would just be really big spots, but I want it to be as good as possible. I mean, this is going to be on my head for a while, so why not be a little extra and draw it on it with a brush? So let's see how this works out. Sorry the air's on because it got really hot in here. But I'm all washed out. So here you can see, like up here, these spots look much darker than these ones right here, but that's just because the color washed off of my scalp there and not so much there. Like I tried to scrub my scalp, but I mean, it'll come off with washings. The spots will still be there. What I would recommend if you're going to be doing this is to let your hair grow out just a little bit longer than I did. I use a 3mm guard to cut my hair, and then I just decided to do this at this length anyways. Last time I did my hair, I used a 6mm guard, and I would still recommend to do the 6mm guard. I think it would be a lot better than the 3mm. You have a little bit more hair to work with. I'm really, though, happy with the way that it turned out. I love it. It looks super cute, and I'm so excited to go out and to just be like, look at my pretty hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It was kind of a pain in the butt to do the stuff on the back, but you know, that's what happens when you do your own hair and you have to do the back of your own head. If you guys want to try this out, go for it. It was kind of higher on the difficulty scale, but not something that's totally impossible for you guys to do by yourselves. I totally would recommend trying it out if it's something that you want on your head. Like, why not? All you need is some Q-tips and some color. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos in the future. I know that I was on a short hiatus for a little while, but that's just because I had a lot of personal things coming on and it came on quite quickly. I didn't see it coming because if you watch my last video, I was like, I'm gonna be back to every week, or at least I'm gonna try. But I really am gonna be trying to bring you guys more content, and I really hope that you guys like this content that I'm bringing to you today. If you want to keep up with me, you guys totally should pop over to my Instagram. I post frequently on there. I do outfit of the day videos, and I post on my story to see my shenanigans. I also have an Instagram for my shop, which is Thebatbabe. I'm Thebatbabe on Etsy and on Depop. I sell cute clothing, and I also do custom hair extensions and accessories. So please go check me out. Support me if you like me. It's just nice. If you guys have any suggestions for things I should do next, definitely leave them in the comments below. I love your guys' suggestions. I really like the ladybug one. I'll have to try that out soon. That was a really cute one. I definitely loved. Throw me more suggestions, guys. I'm gonna run out of ideas sometime soon. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.